Just 2 weeks before India's foreign minister landed in Moscow, the US Senate passed a bill that could hit India with 100% tariff on exports. That's not a coincidence. That could be one of the reasons behind this meeting. This week, Jaishankar met Putin in Moscow. They talked about oil, pharma, trade, weapon, and nuclear energy. Putin said trade between two countries is growing again in 2026. But here's what most headlines are missing. On August 9, US Senate passed a bill that could punish countries still buying Russian crude oil with 100% tax. India was named as one of the top 5 buyers. India's response: we are talking to the US regularly, and the talks have been reassuring. Nothing more was said apart from this. This isn't India's first tariff fight over Russian oil. Back in August 2025, the US slapped India with 50% tax on its exports, half of it just for buying Russian oil. Then in February 2026, a trade deal was announced. The US said India agreed to stop buying Russian oil and buy more from America instead. Because of that deal, the tax dropped to 18%. But here's the twist: India never actually stopped buying Russian oil. Russia stayed India's biggest oil supplier the whole time. So when the US brings back this 100% tariff threat just 6 months after removing the earlier one, Russia becomes India's backup plan. If US turns unfriendly, India already has a strong partner to fall back on. And the trade deal between two has grown massively from 13 billion in 2021 to 60 billion in 2025 to 2026. Even Jaishankar admitted the problem. India buys a lot of oil from Russia but does not sell enough back. So India is now pushing to sell more medicines, machines, and farm goods to Russia. Farm supplies like fertilizer were also discussed during the meeting. That directly affects Indian farmers. Experts say even if this new US tax becomes real, India can handle it. The damage would be limited because India has already built trade in deals with other countries too. Meanwhile, India and Russia are aiming for 100 billion in trade by 2030 with more big meetings coming up like SCO Summit and BRICS. Tell me, what do you think in the comment section? Is Russia India's insurance plan against America?